next for you? What's your dream job?
To work in residential design. I'm not sure where yet, but that's it.
I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to do, but maybe be a lawyer, maybe be a diplomat. We'll see. Something real cool though.
Yeah, so my dream job is to own my business, and currently right now I'm working on my business, so I bring products from my country and sell it here in the US. So I would be awesome if I can do that full time.
What are your plans now? What's your dream job?
Well, actually, I got my dream job. I'm a project management for a construction company.
I currently just got an offer where I was doing an internship in a cybersecurity company. Yeah, so looking to start there on the 20th.
Well, my dream job right now is to own my own company and to have a company that will invest for small businesses. It's a big dream still, but I hope I can make it.
What's next? What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be an entrepreneur, and I feel that Ensign has given me all of the tools that I need to pursue that.
So I'm starting my internship now. I'm going to be working as a project manager, and I'm staying here. I'm going back for a bachelor. I need to learn a little bit more. I need more experience.
I'm still thinking about that one. I just know I'm gonna be super successful in whatever I do because I trust the Lord, and we're still figuring out what's my dream job. But I know I'm gonna be a father.
And what's next for you? What's your dream job?
Man, well, actually the goal, he's doing small business management and he'll graduate in about 2 years. And so since I'm doing social media marketing, I want to be prepared and practice with smaller businesses so that when he gets his degree and when he starts in whatever direction he decides to go in, that I can help support him and we can kind of be a tag team on the business too.
Cool. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
I'm working towards being a financial advisor. I'm actually working at Wells Fargo right now, and so I'm working with their program and working with our advisors to learn new lessons and be able to apply my degree.
What's next? What's your dream job? What are you going to go do?
I really like financial planning, so probably I will try to find a job in this area or wealth management, anything related to finance or investments in general.
I also did my minor in content creation, so I'm starting to work on my first EP, which is like something between a single and an album. It's like 5 songs. And so,
Nice.
yeah, I'm a singer.